What was that? Oh.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
What was that? Oh. Okay, here we go. Now that we've missed everything cool that just happened. Thank you, phone. Oh, those wheelies felt good, though. That second one, right?
Yeah.
Look at this ride, guys. Everybody must be really hungry. Oh,
okay, so I don't have a toaster. So I'm gonna butter my bread and then I just pan fry it. It's delicious. It's actually better than a toaster. And this is like that smart balance butter, you know.
let's see what's up there. What's up there?
Oh yeah, you can jump it.
Whoa. Whoa. Crazy. Someone's getting crazy over here.
Little race tracks.
Yeah.
That was a little sideways jump. Did you feel it?
It's so fun. Dean's way up there. There's Frank. Woo!
Oh.
What was that?
Belt.
Huh?
Belt.
Well, we're too hardcore. Blew a belt. So we're riding so hard. We blew a belt. So now you get to see how to replace a belt in your Maverick X3. Oh, you're welcome. Right in the middle of the dunes even. Every time.
Okay. Getting all the steps together. We can do some belt changing out here. So let's turn this around. Alright, so
You seem awfully unhappy about that.
belt situation gone down. Yeah.
Let's see. No broken belt, no cover. No broken belt, no cover.
But this is our first one.
Nice beat.
Alright. Give me that. I'll hold those. Look at, if I had a tool belt, I could put them in my pocket. Removing the cover. So official with those gloves. I'll put them up. Okay. Do that, removing all the screws so we can pop that off. Belt's inside of there. See how that extender just like reaches out at the ends. How many screws are there total? 14 or do you know? How many? Seems like a million. There's one right there. 27,000.
I can't remember. It's too many.
And you know what? It's because I'm so hungry. All I want to do is have a grilled turkey and cheese sandwich. Try that.
Shit. So I gotta change it when we get back to camp.
The belt?
Yeah.
It's a casualty. We can go super slow and like
7mm if you wanna. That nut.
Yeah.
And look at that. Oh, you did so good. It smells delicious and it's beautiful. Hey, watch it.
Hey, watch out for that.
Watch out.
Auntie Mama hot?
Carefully, please.
Oh, it's just black.
So where did yours break, Dean? When
The belt itself?
No, the cover. You said it broke the cover a couple times?
Yeah,
the
both
belt came
times.
off the
Top side.
top
Is it
side.
hot band?
Yeah, from like
Or is it just?
this vent. I took out half that vent and half the cover going that way.
Oh, okay.
Both times really.
Really?
Alright.
Fiberglass, yeah. It's probably like a
Got that,
race truck. You know what I mean?
what do you have that
Body.
bolts in there for? To make it easier to turn?
This bolt is the dude's this.
Oh, no, I know. I'm just,
Pismo put it in.
yeah. Yep. That was very nice. And they left a $5 bill.
Never using it.
You saying that?
You said.
Look at, there we go. Coming on. Yay. Woohoo! You did it. That's a mess.
It's way more than I found in the 900.
Rest in peace. It's a new one.
Somebody's running some fuel too.
That guy.
Yeah.
Smells like an E85.
Yeah.
Sweet smelling.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. So.
Yeah. So big paddles, broke the belt.
They said in the dunes that you're supposed to throw the cover off for the heat.
Oh.
The guy that did the clutch on his.
That.
Clutch
Carnage.
makes it really cool too.
And you have just a couple weights and springs.
Is that all the clutch kit is on yours?
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, me Brandy. Just wanted to remind you of something. If you're liking our content, I hope you are. Please subscribe. And if you're liking it, then like it. Give us a thumbs up. Obviously, that's what that is. I drew it. Comment, good, bad. Just, you know, let us know how we're doing. Like to read that. And then last but not least, the little bell by the subscribe button. Ring that sucker. That'll notify you when we post new stuff, which we're trying to do pretty regularly. So help us out. See that bell? It equals us being happy. Bye.